Welcome to part 3 of our Smart Restock onboarding tutorial. So we've already uploaded an invoice and parsed it for this vendor. We can see here that these two products were auto matched by the SKU, and here for these two line items in the invoice, we can see that it has a suggested match. So that means that there are multiple products in Shopify with the same SKU. So it's essentially just asking us, is it this one? So we can easily select it from here. Um, and for example, let's say I think that it's this one, and I can just select it and it'll automatically map it to that. Otherwise, um, if I don't think it's any one of these, again, once we can just clear it and then go back, what I can do is here go to more options and it'll give me the suggested matches. But let's say I think this product is a snowboard instead, so I can just search for that and go through any product in Shopify and select it. And now we can see that the match product here is the snowboard. Again, we can just clear that and decide that we want to match it some other way, either from creating it manually or auto create it from the vendor's URL. I'll go more in depth into these in the next part of this video. And just focus on the auto matching and the suggested matching in this video here. Um, Other than that, we can see that it will, if on a match product, it will give the current inventory at the location we've selected at the top here. And as I previously mentioned, we can change the shop which we want here, and it will update the inventory accordingly based on where we want to import this inventory into, or which specific location. And then we can see the received quantity, units per pack. This is a requested feature here. So for example, this is a pack of 4 napkins, um, and we want to sell them individually, so that we can select 4 here. Um, so that means each unit or each quantity has 4 packs. So that would mean I have 8 items which I want to import into our inventory, sorry. And that will divide our cost as well based on the line item. So our unit cost here would become 750 versus the line item was $30 a unit. Um, and that's a cool option that we do have for the quick select. Otherwise, if you don't see on the quick select, we could just enter that number in here and it will do essentially the same thing. um, and yeah, that is everything we wanted to cover for the smart matching here. And next we'll go in deeper into creating products manually and then auto creating from the vendor URL. Thanks for watching.